she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel.
Hello, good afternoon. So we're finally here in Barangay Luyang, San Remigio for the opening of their sports fest in celebration of their annual Barangay Fiesta. So here is the attorney. Hi. Apila may Jess.
Ano yung bilon? Saan na dalawa? Ito, istorya niya? Ay, shout out ah. Hello di ay. Umuwam lang na ako. Shit! Shout out! Shout out ko sa kumama dito, nasa Talisay. Ayan, gig live. Shout out ko sa katong nagmaoy sa ako.
Kanama number 10, Idol. Almodal number 16, ang MVP ng
a free ball. Kasanya to Almodel.
Them down to Altus. Of course, they gave that last point to their best player, the season MVP, first best outside spiker, Jobert Almodiel. Everybody right now here in San Juan Arena is celebrating that last point. Kanino ka?
attorney red spiker.
Asa mo ba ito? Uy! Pero ko padung sa tabuel na nukuan. Nagdilin.
Hey, Jim, what can you say about
Beauty. Uy, kami di ay.
Idol man. Idol.
Asa sila, attorney? Kaming ba sila?
Oh, kami po kauman. So, it's the opening of Barangay Luyang San Remigio Open Volleyball League. Hey guys!
Sure na siya nga. Ato ito yung mga barangay. kami.
Come here. Wait lang.
Last, ito nga.
Ano ito nga?
Sila.
Atay. Asa na makita niya? So guys, mas na guys. So shout out ka attorney guys.
Mo ni ang among best import nga kuan nga nakuha. Mahal kay niyo kuan talay. Guwapo pa jud kayo.
Ako naman is malipay lang na tanong.
Ay sana all. Di pa lupa ni kanay sa
June boy.
init kay go.
Balik na ta. Ito init.
Shit!
Init pa.
Shit!
Pa! Stop!
Ayaw ko na.
Bakit ito na? Nagka-chinsan, nag-reklamo. Pag na to, yung nag-gastos namin, nagka-reklamo.
Idol number 1. Shit! Ay sa vlog. Kainit uy.
Balik, tayog. Tayog.
Shawawat. Attorney, kahit na ng bright please.
Ha?
Istorya.
So karon na guys, nami sa Luyaro guys, nagaparit mi karon guys, diyan mo lang drama news guys. Very cool pare. Ano yun? Istorya.
First placer ko sa boot.
Wala na si Piat Ragwan.
Sila.
First place lagi.
So what can you say? Butog. Butog.
Thank you, attorney. Love since birth, yeah.
Gusto ka makaupaw.
Oh, maupaw. Right.
One day millionaire.
What are you preparing, friend? What are you preparing? So, mo na sila mga lovebirds na mo. Ano sa mga prepare, friend?
Pork for dinner.
Ano sa imuhan special? Adobong lechon. Lechong adobo. So, they're washing the dishes. And they're cooking. Thank you, attorney. Ikaw dong. Nakahit ka sa mama? No one. What can you say, Rhea, to my new house?
It's really, really nice. It's exceptional. Promise. I did not expect. How much this cost again? Pila galing na, attorney?
That's not to mention.
Okay. 2.5.
Nice kaya ang lighting, no?
Ito kaya ang chandelier.
The chandelier.
Yeah. Dali ka nakabutang. Nakano ni kaya ang mga kanin?
Wala, ako nabutan. Wala, ako tanan, no?
Attorney!